Principle 9, make the other person happy about doing the thing you suggest. When people choose to do what they are doing, they will frequently respond positively. A good leader provides his team with choices. A successful leader packages these choices in a way that the team will choose the option the leader desires. We must have the ability to articulate our wants in terms of those of others, if we are to engage others and become good leaders. When delivering your proposal, focusing on the advantages to the other person will make them happy to comply with your advice. Have a clear idea of what you want the other person to do. Prioritize what the other person truly wants, think about the advantages they will experience by following your advice, and then match these advantages to their desires. Be sure to explain the advantages of your request to the other individual. From How to Win Friends and Influence People by Dale Carnegie. Part 4, Be a Leader. Subscribe, like, follow for more.